Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share something super cool with you all today. In this video, I'm going to show you how I managed to get YouTube up and running on CarPlay using an awesome new app called CarTube Plus. If you've ever wanted to watch your favorite YouTube videos right on your car's screen, then you're definitely going to want to check this out. CarTube Plus is a brand new app that's fully compatible with the latest version of iOS. What's really amazing about it is that it allows you to stream any YouTube video directly to your CarPlay screen, which is something a lot of us have been wanting for a long time. Whether you're stuck in traffic, waiting for someone, or just want some entertainment while you're parked, this app has you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it hard to install? Do I need to jailbreak my device or do anything complicated? The good news is that installing CarTube Plus is completely straightforward. You don't need any special skills or tech knowledge, and there's absolutely no need to jailbreak your device or mess with any of those risky modifications. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure you get it up and running without any hassle. So, if you're as excited about this as I am, keep watching the video. I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know to get CarTube Plus on your iOS device. Trust me, this app is a must-have if you're a YouTube fan and you want to take your CarPlay experience to the next level. Let's dive in and get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. RocketMods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for CarTube Plus and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.